first installation video of 2021, and what better product to install than these axial LED side markers for my 2019 Dodge Challenger SXT. So I purchased these on AmericanMuscle.com, and the cool thing about these is they are a lot more cost effective than some of the other LED side markers that you will find online. Now, whenever you open up the box, the very first thing that you will see is they do include some instructions for installing them. And one of the other cool things about this product is you don't have to guess where these go, because they are fortunately marked, so you know that these go on the front, and the other packaging here, it contains the side markers for the rear of the vehicle. Now, these are super easy to install, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Turn on your Challenger and rotate your wheels opposite of the side you're going to be working on. Remove the rivets holding in the fender liner in order to have access to the back side of the side marker. Compress the clip on the front end of the side marker and push out to release that side from the bumper. You will then need to compress the clip on the opposite side of the side marker, slide it forward about ½ an inch in order to release it from the bumper. Use a flathead screwdriver to press up on this red tab that is locking the wiring harness in place. Next, you will need to compress the black tab located underneath the red tab in order to release the side marker from the wiring harness. Plug the wiring harness into the LED side marker and then lock the red tab back into place. To reinstall the side marker, slide the right side in first until the clip compresses, and then pop the left side into place. Repeat the same process for the rear of the vehicle. Well, there you have it, guys. That was a very super easy and quick installation. It shouldn't take you anywhere more than about 10-15 minutes to do. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of these LED side markers. I think that they look really cool, especially if you're looking to add a little bit more style to your Challenger, and if you're looking for a little bit more visibility. And not only that, but same thing with the LED headlights and fog lights that I installed. These just kind of make the Challenger look a little bit more modern. The OEM side markers are cool, especially if you tinted them like I did, but you know, they didn't really give that much light output, and these just look so much more better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. Until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.